metal fabrication and powder coating. It has complete built-in setup with CNC machines for punching, bending, CO2 machines for welding and powder coating, pre-treatment plant and powder coating setup. It is one of the biggest setup in New Bombay, which has a total integrated facility. This company was set up in somewhere in 2018. And during this period, we have already taken ISO registration, factory license. We have executed orders for Qatar, Oman, and orders in India. We are also executing orders for Siemens India. And we have customers in and around Bombay, New Bombay, Pune, Surat. Basically, I have two more businesses. So in order to focus on my other business, I want to exit. We are willing to give total or partially as per the investor's requirement. In the last 1.5 years, we have done one major project for Qatar for stadium project, where we have supplied panels worth 2 crore. And another major project in this period is for Procter & Gamble, supplied through Siemens. So these are the two major projects we have executed recently. This market is of two types. One is the product market and one is the job work for various industries. So mainly we are focusing on the job work for the various industries. So our market is mainly localized, and being in this field for last 30 years, I know almost all the customers, and the manufacturing director is also from this field, and last 22 years he has been in this business, so he also knows the customer. So with our contacts and old relations, we have been able to manage business till now. As I told you that this setup, we have an integrated setup for fabrication powder coating, which is generally not found. So any customer he needs to do, he has to do the fabrication and take it to some other vendor for powder coating. So we have the integrated plant, and our powder coating plant is one of the biggest powder coating plant in Navi Mumbai.